of your 1 cup of coffee a day. Now, the question we ask is coffee good for your hormones? Is coffee good for your gut? So let me share with you a little hack that can make that 1 coffee a day really beneficial for your health. Now, I really encourage you not to go too overboard with coffee. Too much coffee dehydrates you, puts a strain on the adrenals. It can definitely play havoc with your hormones, and it can leave you feeling a bit jittery and strung out. So if you're struggling with any of those classic perimenopausal symptoms where you're not sleeping well, you're feeling a little bit anxious and shaky and jittery, and you've got a lot of brain fog, then be careful about using too much coffee to stimulate the cognitive function. Now, here's a little hack for you. If you're like me, you like your 1 cup of coffee, I really encourage you to try Bulletproof coffee. Now, it's quite simple to make. You can have a black coffee with a spoonful, just a dash of MCT oil. I also love to add a little bit of maca, which is the ultimate root, very good for the hormones. But the other thing that you could add is a spoonful of grass-fed butter. Now, this is becoming really popular with athletes, and it's also very good for cognitive function. So it really helps to bypass the liver and to stimulate the central nervous system to help with that cognitive function, to help with concentration and laser sharp focus. So 1 coffee a day can be really good for the liver. It can be good for the gut health, especially if you're adding in good fat, which really helps to break down the caffeine and really transport that around the system and to the brain and to improve that cognitive function. Right, special announcements this week. It is my birthday this Saturday, so coming up from Saturday onwards for a week, we're going to be running a birthday giveaway bonanza. So stay tuned for more details about that. Make sure you tune in each day, because each day there is going to be a special question that you have to ask, that you have to answer, and you'll find the answer either in my my website or in this group. And there'll be certain questions that you can answer, and then you'll go into the draw for winning the prizes. And the prizes range from supplements, essential oils, which I love, consultations with myself and a couple of other practitioners, and the amazing, powerful productivity planner from Natalia that we spoke about last week. All right, so thanks so much for tuning in. Let me know, do you love coffee? Do you hate it? Does it make you feel good? Does it make you feel bad? Do you feel like you drink too much of it? And would you try a Bulletproof coffee? Let me know in the chat. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.